Hi everyone and welcome to another Hall of Fame interview. This is Dipti Harshad Vartak and I'm here with Anita Madesh. Anita came into our community in mid 2021, July, August to be precise. And since then, she has given 100% commitment towards creating great cakes every single time. Anita slowly graduated from making bakery style cakes to customized theme based cakes. If you stay till the end of this interview, you will definitely see her amazing work, her amazing creation that she has done when she was part of the Super Baker program. So let us hear it from Anita. Anita, again, heartiest congratulations, and it is so great to have you here. So
So glad to meet you. I never thought I would get a chance to talk to you.
your work was so amazing. We had to see, we had to meet you. So, yeah, because of your work, the amazing work that you have posted in the group, my team was like every single time, the moment we saw that a chocolate truffle cake of yours in the first module, I was like, her work is supposed to be washed out for incoming modules. And consistently, you have every single time, like all your assignments, the assessment of the first module, that petal nozzle cake, it was fabulous. And then again, in your the doll cake, your cake, the fondant work which you made for your daughter, it was simply super. We had to make you for this interview. So good,
Thank you so much.
Anita. So Anita, tell us something about yourself, like which city you are from, who all are there in your family, and right now you are a cake designer, but what was your profession before?
So I'm Anita from Bangalore. So I'm into a profession. Actually, I do night shift from 4 o'clock in the evening, and it goes up to 2 o'clock in the midnight.
Okay,
So apart from that, yeah, this is my like a second job, but a dream job, of course. So I'm just loving doing this baking business.
lovely,
So
lovely.
I stay with my husband, and I have a 4 years old daughter.
Okay,
And my parents just stay close by, so I always have support from my parents as well as my husband. So that is the reason I'm able to make this business or
super.
this learning.
Superb, superb. So, Anita, like generally people are interested in baking. So, when they start or when they want to bake a cake for their child or for their family, they generally go and do some hands-on classes or some other baking classes. So, before coming into my community, did you go and join any other program, or did you try?
Never before,
Okay,
never before, ma'am. The moment it was actually like what to say. My husband gave an idea to me. Like he told, "Why don't you learn baking?" So
okay,
we, from almost 1 or 2 years, we have been trying to do some other business or something else other than job.
okay.
So, but I never thought I would bake a cake. Okay. So one day he told, "Why don't you learn baking?" So then I thought, okay, yeah, why not? Then it's like God sent a message to my phone. Suddenly I saw in Facebook there's a 4 day workshop. And that was also at night. I was thinking whether to join or not. Then I thought, okay, let me try. So in that 4 days workshop, it was like, okay, let me try. And I first cake I baked, it was in cooker.
Okay.
So first cake did not come properly. And the second day, I actually asked some questions to you, why this happened. And you told me like the ingredients, baking soda powder, something would have gone wrong. Then I followed the instructions, and then I baked my first cake. It came out really well. My family loved the cake, the choco syrup and all. What it was like very tasty. So then after that, I was thinking to take it ahead.
Okay.
I thought like, if I stop it here, then I don't know when I would go and step out of the house and learn baking cakes. Then I did check out for other courses also
Hmm.
outside, but nothing was interesting to me. After looking at your course or the workshop, I thought I didn't want to go anywhere else because I didn't find anything so interesting or worth paying for.
Okay.
Then I saw at the end of the session you told me the fees and all. So then again I took one day time. Next day I was like, no, I should never leave this chance. I have to enroll, and then I enrolled it.
Amazing.
So this is
Amazing.
the result. Like within 3 months, I have been doing such an amazing job.
Absolutely.
I'm really very happy, and I have to thank you for everything.
So again, I keep telling my student that it is a two-way street. Okay, we both have to work together so that you can achieve your success, and only when you achieve your success, I become successful. So it is a two-way street. And thank you so much because you have literally given your heart and soul in each and every cake that you have made during the program. So Anita, what made you shift from home baking masterclass to super baker program? Like you were interested in baking and you joined the workshop, then the cake turned out, the first cake did not turn out good, then you again tried basis the inputs that I gave, and then what made you choose the long program, I mean 2-3 months program?
Ma'am, I have told you you are an inspirational baker, motivational speaker. Sorry. So I felt like okay, by doing this baking thing, I thought I'll get an identity.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So doing a job, yes, of course it's important, but here my name will be reflected and
Absolutely.
I will get a good scope.
Correct. Correct.
And then baking some healthy cakes is also very important, right?
Correct. Correct. Correct.
And from while buying cakes every time outside, I used to get some of the other side effects like throat pain
Okay.
or anything.
Okay.
It happens with others also because of
Correct.
low quality cakes.
Correct.
So in this, so I thought, okay, baking a cake at home and serving to people, it's a very good thing because
Absolutely.
of course they prefer prefer for birthdays and celebrations, and cakes are also involved. Childrens are also involved in that, and so healthy baking or making cakes at home with hygienic products and good quality products is very important. So
Absolutely.
then I also wanted to. I also always had a dream of doing something,
Superb. Superb.
and actually taking this into a full-time business also.
Superb, superb. So lovely to hear that. I'm so happy to hear that actually. So, Anita, now you have mentioned that you already do a night shift and you have a daughter who is very small, like she's just 4 years old. So, how do you achieve that balance, or how did you achieve that balance? Because when you are into the program, of course, we ask a lot of things from you, right? So
Yeah.
you have to be like on your toes because we want you to excel in whatever you do. So how did you achieve that balance?
The assignments and assessments were actually quite interesting, ma'am. So
Mhm.
if we take other courses, there may not be any assignments. We just have to see the video. When there is a deadline, only then we work fast.
Hmm, hmm.
So every time when I have to do a cake for assignment, I used to do it after 2 o'clock in the midnight.
My God, what a
That was
dedication!
seriously. Sometimes I have slept at early morning, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Oh my God, oh my God!
So
Really
that's
hats
how
off
I
to you.
work. Because if I do it in the evening or daytime, my daughter will be there.
Correct,
So
correct,
it'll be a mess.
correct, correct.
And my family also supports me a lot.
Superb, superb. But really, hats off to you. I mean, your passion for the work speaks in your passion for baking and cake decoration. Your cake actually talk a lot about it. So amazing. Anita, then let us talk about online versus offline classes. Like
Hmm.
offline classes, a lot of people prefer to go and do hands-on classes, which are maybe one-day courses or something, but when it comes to online, you have to watch the video and you have to do things yourself. So when you went through the recorded videos, or when you went through the live mastermind sessions or the community, what do you think, what was beneficial, how easy or how difficult was it for you to complete your work in such a short span of time when you are part of the program?
So at the beginning, even I had that confusion whether I have to go for an online class or offline class. So in offline class, I if we go for a class and we learn like one full day, we learn something. But then while we come back to house, we will obviously forget a lot of things.
Correct.
So we can't even contact them and ask any doubts or something. So here in this training, I felt everything is organized, completely organized. The videos are so helpful that like one or two times if we watch, that is more than enough. So if we have to some recall something after 15 days or 20 days, obviously we have to watch it once more time, but it is easily accessible.
Correct.
Right? So this is something very helpful, and even the mastermind sessions are like so helpful. You give complete dedication in answering the questions of each of us, because while baking a cake we have a lot of questions,
Nice.
and we'll be nervous while taking an order also.
True.
Like we get immediate orders, and if we have to, we can't reject, right? One or two orders, if we get in from that order only, we are going to get multiple orders. So you give like immediate response in Facebook or mastermind sessions. Even if we give ask 10 questions or 15 questions also, you answer each of them very patiently.
Okay. Okay.
So that is really helpful, ma'am.
Super. Super. So, have you opened your home bakery? I mean, the last cake that you submitted for the fondant assessment, it was amazing, which you did for your child's birthday, right?
Yeah.
It was your daughter's birthday, where you have made all those fondant animals and a two-tier cake. So, have you opened your home bakery now? I'm sure you must have got a lot of orders from that one event itself.
Yes, ma'am. I think I have almost submitted 10 cakes after that.
Wow.
So even yesterday I had two orders.
Okay.
One was a personal order, like for a Valentine.
Okay.
So that I made a red velvet cake. I made it was very tasty. So like 10 people had. They give amazing comments for that. And one more was a big event actually. Almost
Okay.
100 people attended.
Wow.
So I made 3 to 4 kg cake.
Amazing.
But that I made it with fondant toppers.
Super.
So people actually liked it very much.
Okay.
And the day before yesterday, I gifted a baby shower cake
Wow.
for my friend. So
Okay.
even there, around 50 people were there. They just loved the cakes, and they were talking, "Who made this cake?" And they were actually talking about me.
Super, super amazing. So, for the fondant topper, what was the theme that was given to you?
No, ma'am. The fondant topper which I gifted was a baby shower cake. There, I used the baby sleeping baby.
Okay, okay, that thing you used. Okay. And what about the one which you made for 100 people? It was a normal decorated cake.
Yeah. It was two-tier cake.
Okay.
One with strawberry and one with vanilla.
Okay.
And I made teddy bear topper,
Okay. Okay. Got it.
stars, and I used Mickey Mouse wafer sheets.
Okay.
So they actually liked it very much.
Super, super. So now you feel, do you feel confident right now to take all these orders? Like a few
Yeah.
months ago, you did not know how to bake a cake, but right now, do you feel confident of taking any order that comes your way?
Yeah, ma'am. But wedding cakes, I'm still little nervous because
Uh-huh.
I've not done it. But within 3 months, I have learned a lot of things, ma'am.
Correct.
Just I see people do baking cakes for their home, and now they have shifted to Super Baker program and all. But this is something I've learned very quickly. My friends, that's what they give me. I mean, the feedback they give for me. They say like within 3 months, how did you do this? How did you do this? And I never used to post any status in WhatsApp, so I'm not so active in social media. So now I'm always posting all the cakes in Instagram, and I have my own page in Facebook, Insta, and even in Google, I have listed my business.
Super, super.
So
So what is the name of your home bakery?
TRS Dreamy Delights.
Okay, okay, amazing. Heartiest congratulations on that as well. And You are saying that wedding cakes you are still not comfortable, but like I said, I have already seen your 2-tier cake, and you are consistently taking tiered cake orders. So you have to go out there and submit at least, or make at least one cake for your clients and see the feedback yourself.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are going to rock there as well. So Anita, now tell us, like, when it came to cake baking and decoration, you were doing some things few days ago, and right now after going through the program, what are those things you are doing differently, or what are the top 3 takeaways that you will tell us about um, being a part of this program?
Okay. So first thing is, whoever enrolls in this program, they will never repent for this, because whatever input money we are putting, or whatever efforts we are giving in this, the results are going to be really amazing.
Mhm.
One thing, and one more thing, the dedication is very important. So couple of people, maybe because of their timing, or homemakers cannot manage house and this baking thing, ma'am. But if they give mind and they give full heart in this, they can obviously make cakes, and at least they can bake for the people who are around them in
Correct.
apartment or something. So, and the third thing is, I should say, we have to live in this society at, to get good
Yes.
reflection. So it shouldn't be like we live in a house and complete the day. We have to do something else, right?
Absolutely right.
And
Absolutely.
especially girls.
Hmm.
So cooking is the only thing girls do at home. Other than no, I'm telling about the homemakers.
Yeah.
So if they do these cakes, no, they'll also feel happy, and every day they go to sleep, they'll feel complete. The
Super.
day would be really complete, and
Correct. Correct.
the feedback they get is going to be really amazing, ma'am, because the recipes you give, or the decoration courses you have given are just amazing, and they're very easy to learn.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's
Correct.
not at all difficult. If you go and search for any YouTube videos or any other thing, we find it difficult to follow. But
Hmm.
videos are something you have given pin to pin every explanation.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that is very helpful.
Correct, correct. It is nothing but you get a kind of recognition. At the same time, you get satisfaction that you have done something. You have
Yeah.
not left all your ambitions for anybody, but
Yeah.
you get a sense of fulfillment. That is what you want to say, right?
Yeah.
So now that you are taking these orders, how do you manage it? Like, still, so you are still into the job, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now how do you do that balance? Because you are taking tiered cake orders and you are doing cakes for 50 people, 100 people, and you have a baby as well. So how do you manage these orders?
So I inform them to give the orders at least 2-3 days before,
Okay,
and I prepare, if it is fondant topper, at least 1 or 2 days before I make it
correct,
ready,
correct.
and I bake the cake at least one day before.
Mhm.
And the final day would be like fully equipped. I'll be completely into this. I tell my family, please don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me. I have to complete this properly. And I make sure that there shouldn't be any complaint.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. That is
So,
absolutely important.
yeah.
Customer satisfaction is so important. So how are you getting these orders? Through word of mouth only, or you are doing something else?
Yeah, as I mentioned, I have listed in the FB,
Hmm,
Instagram,
hmm, hmm.
and as of now, I'm getting more from friend circle.
Okay,
So I
okay.
told my husband also, please do some advertising for me. Yeah,
Yeah, but
and
he's
now,
a big support, no? Already he has
yeah,
supported you so much. Amazing, amazing. That is what
he's
family.
also interested, ma'am. Actually, for while icing the cakes, he also involves. And he says, "This is not proper. Why don't you do it properly? Give proper
Okay.
finishing."
Okay, okay. So he's like that strict teacher who will tell you to make amazing cake. Superb. That is what family is for, right? It's all about that support which we need, which will make you achieve whatever you want to achieve in life faster. Amazing. Such a beautiful family you have. So Anita, now what is your vision going ahead? What do you want to do?
I obviously want to expand this business, ma'am.
Superb.
But already into that, we have we are into construction, okay, of
Okay.
a new house. So I have set up a separate room for this home bakery,
Wow.
and at the basement we are planning to keep a small stall for the
Mm-hmm.
display as well.
Okay, okay.
So I'm just dreaming to expand this business, and also some gift. I'm always interested in crafting also from childhood.
Hmm,
So
hmm, hmm.
I'm thinking to do a gift shop and a cake business.
Superb, superb. I'm extremely happy. Thanks for telling me that, and I can't wait to see your shop being a reality in just few days or few months. And I wish that your dream
Yeah.
of opening a gift shop and a bakery comes true as early as possible. So Anita, tell us about the community you are part of. When you enroll for the program, you also get access to the community. So how the community has helped you grow professionally and personally for the duration of your course?
Uh, Community is very helpful, ma'am. Even the people there, like seniors who was already ahead of us, they also give good suggestions, and they actually respond to the question immediately.
Correct.
And you are like, even if we give a big question, also you patiently reply to the questions. So, and like immediate response is always important, right?
Correct.
When we get some immediate order, like in the morning
Mhm.
and evening, we have to deliver, we'll be
Mhm.
having some questions.
Correct.
So just if I drop a text in FB, the community, so you have always been replying to it.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
That is good thing. And the 3 month support was good enough.
Hmm. Correct.
That was
Correct.
really good enough. So even now I am able to see people giving the cakes submissions there. So I feel really good for them also.
Amazing, amazing. So, tell us how this thing now you are you are selling cakes as well, and you must have given it to your family and friends as well. So, what do they talk about you? What are your clients saying about you? And what is your family and what are your friends saying about you?
At the beginning, even they was like, okay, she's just baking a cake for like as others are doing.
Hmm,
So when they tasted, they were like they reacted it very well. They told
okay.
it taste is just amazing.
Hmm, hmm,
Why don't you take it ahead? Why don't you bake for others also? There are so many home bakers nowadays.
hmm.
So then again, from that 10th cake, I started giving orders, ma'am, taking orders.
Okay,
10th
okay,
cake was my first order. I still remember that.
okay.
So my almost all of my family members have tasted the cakes
Hmm.
now. While I was doing the assignments, obviously I have to give it to someone, right? I can't have
Yeah,
it.
yeah, absolutely. The feedback is extremely important. Otherwise, how will you grow? So,
Yeah, be it design or taste.
hmm,
So everybody liked it.
hmm. Okay, okay. So
They
your
told,
clients are also giving you consistent feedback and referring you at this point of time?
yeah, yes, ma'am. Then I have to mention yesterday in the baby shower function, one I met one event planner.
Oh,
So So he liked the design very much. He
wow.
told he told he used to take cakes from others, some
Mm-hmm.
other home bakers, and he used to fulfill the orders
Mm-hmm.
for the decoration and all. So
Correct.
he told he will contact me.
Super, super.
I'm looking for that also.
Super. So many things you have told me. I can't express my joy. I'm extremely happy, Anita. Thank you so much for this. And whatever good things are happening in your life, I'm super happy for you. So, Anita, now one more question. Like, do you feel whatever investment you did to be part of the Super Baker program, do you think that you have already got return on investment when you were in the program or after the program?
Yeah, until now, whatever I've invested, I've taken it back. But of course, for the materials and all other things, are still have to be covered. But the program fees, whatever I have given, of course, I have taken it back.
So,
And this is the foundation, I have to say. This is, I have given some very small thing, but I'm going to take it back as a large thing, obviously.
super, super.
So this
So,
is going.
yeah, go ahead.
So I'll remember this until forever, until and forever. I'll never forget you.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. Really, it means a lot. So, Anita, then can we conclude that since even if it was an online program, did you think that you followed a system and that is why you became successful at the end of the day?
Yeah, ma'am. As I said, everything is organized here.
Mhm.
Even the sessions are very interesting and it is accessible, I told, and even the people are very supportive. Sindhu, she always replies whenever I wanted. One day I asked her, I want the recipe, the ingredients is for fondant module because I didn't complete my assessment as an assessment and as an assignment for second module still, but I wanted the list. So within like half an hour, she replied me.
Yeah.
So and Sindhu is very supportive, and I see FSSI inquiries are being answered on
Hmm.
time,
Hmm.
and mastermind session is happening on time,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
it goes for 1 to 1.5 an hour.
Yeah.
So the main thing is you give importance to each and every candidates here, right?
Yes.
So if we go elsewhere, like offline class or be it any other online class, I don't think we'll get this satisfaction anywhere. Nobody will take so much time to reply to anyone. Maybe email queries they would reply, but online support and chat support are rarely found here. When offline classes, 10 to 15 people will be there,
Hmm.
so we just have to watch and
Yes.
come back.
Yes. Yes.
So here we can demonstrate online. We can watch your videos, and at the same time we can do the hands-on also.
Hmm.
So it is like so interactive also. Even if you're given the videos, so we can actually interact with you.
Yes. Yes.
So we always need a teacher when
Hmm.
we are in learning stage. So you are like a teacher for us. So I can never forget this 3 months. So, but at the last day, I was like feeling a little sad. So
Yeah.
I can't meet you again. But when I got the message for Hall of Fame,
Yeah.
so I was very happy that I can see you and talk to you.
Super. Super. So amazing and heartiest congratulations to you again. Hope to see your dream come true. I really want to see your gift shop and your bakery shop as early as possible. And all of you who are watching this interview and want to know more about Anita's work, I have pasted the links to her social media pages in the description box. Please go through that. Her work is absolutely amazing. You will definitely fall in love with her work. And if you are in her city, do order from her. Her gift shop is coming up in few months, so do order cakes and gifts from her. And if you are interested in buying the course which every super baker is part of, the course link is also given in the description box. If you know somebody who wants to start their baking journey at in a right way, please give them this link, share this link with them so that they can be part of our community. We have people who are students, we have working professionals, we have homemakers, we have new mothers who are part of this program and who are transforming their life when it comes to baking every single day. Anita, thank you so much for choosing Diptivartak Academy and sharing your amazing experience with all of us. All the best and wish you more and more success. Any last thoughts you want to share, Anita?
Yes,
Otherwise,
ma'am. So you have been doing an amazing work, ma'am. I wish you also very all the best. And you have to make a lot of people's dream come true. So there are a lot of people who are looking for the course, of course, like me, who never would have thought baking can be so interesting. So this is a new journey for me, and my life has completely changed now. So before few months, whenever I get free time, I used to think I have to do something, I have to do something, but I never get an idea. What will I do? Now it's like I'm always busy. I never get a time at all for myself, but I'm feeling happy for that. I feel relaxed, and this is a what do I say? Breaker, I should say.
super.
Whenever I feel stressed, if I bake a cake, I feel relaxed. It's like that now.
I know. I can understand that feeling.
Yeah,
Amazing.
so seriously, I feel so happy that I got a chance to enroll in your program. I
Thank,
really feel happy
thank,
and really heartiest congratulations for you also, man. You
thank
have
you so
been
much.
doing such an amazing job, man.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I should see others also doing becoming like me.
So, wish you all the best again. And I'm sure this interview is going to inspire lots and lots of people to follow their passion in baking. So, guys, if you have liked Anita's journey, do like this video, share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel so that you get to know more such success stories. Thank you so much, Anita, for being a part of Hall of Fame interview.
Thank you so much, man.